Hello, and welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many developers encounter when working with symbol tables and composite functions. The problem arises when a composited function seems to disappear from the symbol table before it can be used in an expression. Frustrating, right? Let's explore this issue further and find a solution together. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The key lies in understanding the importance of managing the lifetime of objects registered with a symbol table. As mentioned in the README file for ExprTk, it's crucial for the objects like variables, strings, vectors, and composited functions to exist at least as long as the symbol table and any compiled expressions utilizing them. Failure to do so can lead to undefined behavior, like the undefined symbol error we encountered. Remember, proper object-to-lifetime management is essential for a smooth workflow. In summary, ensuring that objects registered with the symbol table have a lifespan that covers the symbol table itself, and any expressions using them is vital for avoiding errors like the one we faced. It's crucial to maintain consistency in object lifetimes to prevent undefined behavior. I hope this solution helps you tackle similar issues in your coding adventures. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any coding problems you'd like us to tackle next. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.